Hey beautiful people, do you want to be a successful person? If the answer is yes, this video is for you. Okay, so let's get started. So in this world, if you want to be a successful person, you need consistency power in your mind. Consistency means to do something repeatedly, to do something gradually, to do something step by steps. It's act like a bridge to just turn your dream into a reality. So if I give an example, it will be clear to you. So if you want to learn spoken English, so you need to be a consistency partner in your mind. For example, if you want to learn spoken English within 3 days, within 1 month, within 2 months, it's not possible for you to become a fluent speaker. So in this time, you need to be a consistency power. For example, in a day, you learn just 20 minutes speaking with other people, 20 minutes make a conversation with other people, 10 minutes learn new vocabularies, and 20 minutes read a book aloud. Okay, so if you just gradually maintain these things repeatedly, it would be better and it would help you to become a fluent speaker. And on the other hand, if I give an example, so most of the people in this world, they don't failure only lack for their intelligence, only lack for their, it's called hardworking. They fail only for their consistency. So dear brothers and sisters, so if you want to be a successful person in this world, if you just lead your world, lead your country, lead your society, you need to grow such type of power. This called consistency power. So in our country, every single person, every students have a dream. They want to be a business career in their life. So only for hardworking, only for your intelligence, it's not possible for you to become a business career. So if you want to be a business career in your life, I think I will suggest for you, you have to maintain your task. You have to do your work repeatedly, step by step. So dear brother and sister, be consistent and just become a successful person in this world. Allah Hafiz.